My name is James McIntyre, and I'm going to show all of my fellow teachers how to use the software Socrative. First, you want to make sure you have an account. If not, it's not a problem. Just click the button that says Get Account and fill out your information. After that is done, this screen should appear. A key thing you will need to know is that the name at the top of the screen is your room name. This room is also the code you will give out to all of your students so that they can participate in your activity of choice. We're now going to move on to creating a quiz for your students. I'm going to show you both views, one from the teacher's perspective of controlling the quiz, and the other is from the student's perspective of taking the quiz and seeing the results. First, you want to click on the button that says Quizzes. As you can see, I already have a quiz created just to give you guys an example of what the students will see while taking the quiz. To create a new quiz, we're going to go on the right side of the screen. There you will see a button that says Add Quiz. It will also say Create New. So let's go ahead and click the Create New button. Here you will see three options of how you want to style your quiz. Your choices are multiple choice, true or false, and also a short answer. Now, after you have successfully created your quiz, you're going to want to launch your quiz so that your students are able to take it. So on the top left side of your screen, there will be a button that says Launch. There will be a confirmation tab to appear, but just click the yes if you are ready to launch the quiz. If not, click no. After you have clicked yes, there will be a screen of options to pick from the quizzes that you have created. So I'm going to click on my quiz that says Disney Quiz and hit the next button. Now will appear three choices, which are instant feedback, open navigation, or teacher paced. Teacher paced means that you are in control of the flow of the questions. Also, you are able to monitor responses as they happen. As you are in control, you have the option to skip a question or revisit the question. Open navigation means that the students may answer the quiz in any order and change the answers before submitting the quiz. You are able to monitor all of the students' progress in your table of live results. Instant feedback makes the student answer the questions in order and they aren't able to change the answers. Instant feedback will be provided after each question. You are also able to monitor all of your students' progress in the table of live results. I'm going to pick the instant feedback so students can see what they have gotten wrong. And also on the right side, let's click the Show Final Score button so it will be easier to grade it at the end of the quiz. After that, you're ready to click the Start button. Your game is now launched. All you need now is for students to come in and join the game. Now remember, in the beginning of this video, I explained where to find your room code. Give out this code to the students so that they can participate in the game. I am now going to switch to the screen to show students what they will need to log in and how to use the room code. When the students go to the Socrative home screen, there will appear a button on the right side of the screen that says Student Login. Let's click on that. Now the student will see it asks for a room code. At this point, the student will duplicate the teacher's code. There's no need for a student to create an account. All they have to do is put in the correct room code. After the student enters the code, they will enter their name, and now the quiz will begin. Let's answer a couple questions to show how quickly they will receive their feedback. Number 1 says, what is the name of this Disney character? A, Goofy, B, Donald Duck, C, Mickey Mouse. I believe that the answer is C, so let's click on that and see what happens. A screen shows that the student has gotten the answer correct. Now let's try one more question, which is question number 3. This Disney character's name is Jamie. True or false? Let's click true to see the result. It shows that the student has gotten the answer wrong. Now let's switch back to the teacher screen. The teacher can view how many students are taking the quiz and how many questions the student has left. After the students finish the quiz, the teacher will click the button on the right that says Finish. You will then see 3 options. These are just to see what all the student has gotten wrong, and it will also show you the grade the student has gotten. As you can see, Socrative is a new innovative way to keep things interested in the classroom. It gives students a friendly competition on the space race games, but also a fun way to learn.